Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can import custom player faces in FC26. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to gear icon, which you can see at top left hand corner. Just open that. Right here we need to select the option create player, choose male player or female player according to your choice, and just right here choose any of these players. Now if we go to head right here, now if you look at here, we have this FC icon profiles. So these are the players which we have created in the past, like we have created the custom player, or if we have created the player in the ultimate mode, you're gonna see all of those created players just right here on this FC profiles. And among all of these faces you need to choose yours. But in case if you're wondering how to import real player faces in the game or in this particular screen, that's simply not possible, because in the current version of FC26 there is no specific option available by using you can import custom player faces, or you can say real player faces in the game, as well as you cannot scan your own face too. I know that's disappointing, but it is what it is. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.